Alright, y'all. See, I'm back with another video. See what I got here today. Ooh, got some barbecue chicken wings. Topped it off with some onions and green peppers. Check it out. Yes. Look delicious, don't it? Yeah. Tell me what y'all think about the video for today. Yes. Yeah, changed up. Little toppings on the barbecue chicken wingettes. Yes. Alright, y'all. That's what I'm doing today. Yes, check it out. Looking delicious. Oh yeah. Alright, don't forget to like my video. Tell me what y'all think. Comment below. Come on now. Give me some likes. That's what I need. I appreciate everybody watching. So that's what I'm doing today, y'all. So check it out. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah, she looking delicious. I don't know. Let me get a closer view for y'all. Got a little shot of them wings a little bit closer. Now I get a good view of them. There you go. Yes. All right. All right, folks. That's all I'm doing today. All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. I gotta go. All right, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know how it tastes when I get finished. I'm out. Peace. Man, I'm just letting y'all know I ain't playing around with this dish. I'm tearing it up. Yeah, I'm playing them down to 2 wings. I ain't playing around. I'm just tearing this stuff right on up. Yes. All right, y'all. I got to go. Don't forget to like this video. I know I might have said it before, but them likes help out. I appreciate all y'all watching. Appreciate y'all watch to the end and watch the next one. I'm out. Peace.